Anjan GCP Data Engineering. So in this video we will see how we can connect Cloud SQL instance that has been created in our previous video using MySQL workbench, right? This is a third party tool, so this is mostly used across the industry to work with MySQL, right? So in this video we will try to see how we can set up the connections using public IP address from the Cloud SQL, right? So what are the different problems we may face during the connection setup, and how to test that connection, right? If something goes wrong, how to fix it, okay? And the whitelisting of the IP address, right, of a client machine, right? And we will see all those concepts, and once we successfully establish the connection between the Cloud SQL database, right, and our local machine, right? So then we'll try to run some simple SQL statement to create table and to insert or to insert some data into the table. That means the DML statements, right? And that's it. Okay, we will see all those things, right? Okay, let us quickly move to the demo. This is where I have MySQL workbench downloaded. Just click on it and we have MySQL workbench open. Okay, so this is the MySQL workbench. I've already downloaded it for our demo purpose. Okay, now I will have to set up the connection first. Okay, anyway we have our Cloud SQL instance, okay, already created in in our previous demo or video. So this is a public IP address. I'm going to connect this instance using this public IP address. Let us copy this, okay, and go to this workbench setup page, okay, connection setup page. Okay, you can give some connection name, Cloud SQL dev maybe, right? So just keep the remaining option as this, right? This is the connection method, right, TCP IP. And then here in the host name you will have to give MySQL instance public IP address, which we have copied, right, from the instance details. So port will be like this only, 3306, and username is root, and you have to provide the password. While creating the instance we have already set the password, right? We have to use the same password. Okay, right? Now you can test the connection, right? So here itself we should be able to know whether we are able to connect to this instance or not, right? It is taking some time. Here itself it will give the details whether it is success or fail. Okay, we'll have to wait till that time. Now you can see our connection has been failed. That means, right, you are not able to connect the Cloud SQL instance. So what could be the reason? Because now we'll go to the Cloud SQL instance details page. So you can see we do have this public IP address. Go for this edit instance option. You can see the connections, right? So you will have to whitelist your machine IP address, that is client IP address, which it is trying to connect the Cloud SQL instance using the public IP address, but we need to whitelist that public IP address of a client machine as well over here. This just whitelist it, done, and save. This will lead to updating Cloud SQL instance. Again it will take some time, right? So now it is in this light green, right, arrow mark. Till it becomes dark green you will have to wait. Okay, so yeah, it will take some time. We can see our Cloud SQL instance has been updated. That means we have successfully whitelisted our clients, that is our local machine IP address. Okay, now again we'll try to set up our connection. Okay, so everything remains same, you don't have to change anything. So you'll have to just provide okay, so this address again. Okay, Now test connection. Now you can see successfully made the MySQL connection. That means you have whitelisted your machine IP address. Now it is allowing the connections, right? Now you can click on OK. Now you can see your connection details have been saved. Now click on this, then it will connect to your Cloud SQL, that is MySQL database. Now you can work with your SQL database. Okay, now you can see what are the databases available. All right, and just run. Execute this. Now it will show your databases, right? Okay, see this demo data, this has been created as part of our previous demo. Now you can use same database, right? You can see now our database has been changed. You can see use show tables, right? This has been created as part of our previous demo. You can even select that, all right? See, there is one row available. Okay, you can also insert some more rows into test one values. Since it is a graphical user interface, that is tool, so right, it will be more user friendly, right, to work with relational databases, right? So spreadsheet, right? Now one row has been inserted. Let us see now how many rows available in this table. Now you can see there are 2 rows. So like that, we do have different options to work with MySQL databases, right? Database, data export, data import, right? Okay, so I hope you are clear. So my as part of this video, my intention is to show to connect Cloud SQL database and MySQL using your MySQL bench by whitelisting your client's IP address. Okay, so I hope you are clear. That's it for this video. Thank you. Maybe in the next video we will see how we can export or import data from our Cloud SQL database. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching.